The HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP M630 is showing Maintenance Kit Low and Document Feeder Kit Low. In this video, I'll show you how to reset these maintenance warnings and clear them from the printer. The printer is showing two maintenance warnings, Maintenance Kit Low and Document Feeder Kit Low. These warnings indicate that the maintenance counters are approaching their service limits. Go to the printer settings menu. Open Manage Supplies. Open Low Warning Thresholds. Set both options to 0. You can also reset both warnings using Reset Supplies. The warnings have been cleared, and the printer is no longer showing any errors. Print the supplies status page to confirm that the maintenance kit and document feeder kit have been successfully reset. The Maintenance Kit Low and Document Feeder Kit Low warnings have been successfully cleared from the HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP M630. We also verified the reset by printing the supplies status page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more printer repair and maintenance videos. Thanks for watching.